In this video, we are going to talk about the social trading feature of pocket option, and we are fully going to show you how you can start to copy our trades which look like this. First of all, I will reload this screen so that you can see all the results that I am showing you are real. It's not fake results. Okay. So another important thing, whatever trading session we do, we make short about that. Okay, we make shorts video on that and publish in our YouTube channel, that is online investment tutorial, and you can check these videos too if you want. Okay, so if you notice here, we make $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, in one day we do 3 trades, so you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200 if you are copying us. Okay, we make $200 per trade, but you can set up some percentage and you can start to copy from $2. Okay, you don't need to copy $200. You need to be absolutely clear on that. So in order to copy our trade, what you can do is you can join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below. And once you join that free Telegram channel, then there you will see the latest instructions on how you can get our UID so that you can start to copy our trade. Once you get that UID, then just log into your pocket option account, just go into your social trading section. Okay, and just click on here, and you can click on search and paste the UID that you have got from our Telegram channel. But one thing you need to be very clear, that this is not our UID. Okay, I want to repeat, this is not our UID. I am just showing you it as an example. So once you see this kind of name appearing after you put the UID at here, then just click on that and you will see a dialog box opening in this way, and then you just need to click on copy. Once you click on copy, 4 boxes will appear. So as you can see here, in copy in proportion you can see 100%. So if you just want to copy $2 portrait, then you just need to change this copy in proportion to 1%. So 1% of $200 is $2. So if you want to copy, like, let's say 10%, so that means you are copying $20 per trade. So always remember that 1% is equals to $2. So 10% is equals to $20. Now in second box, you can see there is stop balance. So stop balance basically means stop. It is kind of stop loss. Okay. So let's say you have $1,500 in your account, and you just want to risk $500 in your account in my copy trading service. So what you can do is, instead of changing anything at here, you can withdraw your $1,000 and just put your balance at $500 in your account, and you will not be able to copy once your balance is finished. If you are scared about that thing, okay, but that usually don't happen, and you don't need to touch any this stop balance. And one important thing, whenever my VIP copy trader who are copying me, whenever they touch anything in this stop balance or in max and minimum copy trade amount, then all of my trades doesn't get copied to their account. For some reason, I don't know why it is, but that is what happening with many of VIP copy traders. So I don't suggest to change anything in these 3 boxes. Okay. In case of minimum copy trade amount, I have already shown you we only make $200 per trade. So once you have set up this copy in proportion, then you don't need to worry about this minimum copy trade amount. Okay, so you can leave it as it is. And in case of maximum copy trade amount, again, I make $200 per trade, so you don't need to worry if I'll make $2,000 per trade. I'm not going to do that ever. So your max copy trade amount is also not important at here. So only make changes to this copy in proportion and you are done. Just click on confirm and you will start to automatically copy my trades, which looks like this.